everybody, my name is Nancy from 2E10. Today I'm making a compost here. As we are on topic on recycling, I may present you this. I'm making a compost today, so now let's get started. First, these are my things to prepare. I prepared some yummy eggs that I ate today, but I still have the white here and the shells. The eggs have a lot of calcium, so it's a very important nutrient for the plants. Then I have this banana peel that I already ate when I finished my lunch already. This contains pH, which means phosphorus. And this is my dad's old beer. It is added to mix these together and make the mixture more nutritious. And finally, here's my soil. There's some old petals from the roses. Now let's get started into first step. Now, whatever should we do? Crack the eggs. Very hard time cracking the eggs, but I don't mind. Okay, after a while, okay, the eggs are cracked. Now it's time for the banana peels. Now I'll cut this sticky mixture. Looks disgusting, right? But don't worry, it's very good for the plants. If you don't want to, you can put this outside. But don't worry, I'll use the whole thing. Oh, it's a bit gritty down here. Okay, dokie. Now, it's my dad's old beer down here. Don't worry. It smells very awful, but I don't mind. I'm still okay with these smells. Wait a minute. Get this compost mixed up. But don't mind it. It smells awful, but I don't think it minds. Now I'll put some of this on. Don't worry, it's just a topping. You don't really need this. I'll just put some in for a special. It looks beautiful, but it smells really awful. Well, I better cut this leaf too, if no one notices. Okay, let's mix this up. Okay, you should have your compost like this. Well then, you got it. Now, you just pour the mixture right in here. Ew, it sure smells so stinky. And the soil smells very good, so maybe just of the roses. Hope you don't mind if it smells so stinky. Okay, these are all mixed up, but later my mom will plant the seeds, and the seeds will absorb all these nutrients and will grow very healthy. Okie dokie, finished. Now, you know why I'm doing this? Because most plants need this. And why I don't use coffee grounds is because coffee grounds are not very good for plants. It would make the leaves droop like this. Yeah, if you have blueberry or exotic plant in your home, it might like a little bit of acid. So whatever you do, you don't need to add coffee grounds to your compost, okay? And if you need to, you can put all the rotten things inside you want. It might smell smelly. Once I just throw a rotten tomato here, and the plant grows very healthy. So you better do that. Now the second thing I want to tell you that a lot of the plants need this. First of all, almost all kinds of soil have they need a lot of nutrition, and most of it is nitrogen, which is too many nitrogen could tie up the rots and make blossom root rot. So that's not good for your plant, right? So if you add this into it, it'll probably grow better because banana peels, just like I told you, have pH. You know exactly what that means. Phosphorus. You know that, okay? Then that one will zoom back to work, and then it's all like this. First, it's like nitrogen is 70%, and then it's just like that. Nitrogen 70%, then it's phosphorus 30%. That's not equal. You need it to be an equal balance, okay? If not, the plants will always droop like this. So if you add this mixture to them, the mixture will make it 50 and 50, which means 50 phosphorus and 50 nitrogen. That will make the plant sprung up like this. See? If we add them to soil, we'll probably get a mixture like this, and then the seeds will probably grow very fast. So it's very good for this, and if you don't understand, I'll keep another paper out there, okay? So you can watch that. You can watch a closer look on that paper, okay? Now goodbye. See you later.